Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a backdoor Roth IRA at Fidelity, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Fidelity account. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your personal information. Navigate to the IRA section of the website. Select the option to open a new IRA. Choose Roth IRA as the type of account you want to open. Fill out the required information in the application form. Make sure to input your income information accurately. Since this is a backdoor Roth IRA, ensure you choose non-deductible contributions. Review the application and confirm your information is correct. Once submitted, it will take a short time to process your application. After your Roth IRA is set up, fund the account with non-deductible contributions. You can do this by transferring funds from your bank account. Next, select the option to contribute to your IRA. Enter the contribution amount you wish to make. Confirm the transaction details to complete your contribution. Now, with your non-deductible contribution in place, it's time to convert to a Roth. Navigate back to your IRA dashboard. Select the option to convert traditional IRA to Roth IRA. Choose the account from which you want to convert the funds. Confirm the amount you want to convert. Review any tax implications of the conversion carefully. Submit the request for conversion to complete the process. Fidelity will process your conversion, which may take a few days. Once completed, you will have successfully established a backdoor Roth IRA. Monitor your account regularly for any required actions or updates. Keep track of your contributions for future tax reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.